This video demonstrates how you can create a auto typer script to type text onto active application window. The automatic typing script can be created with type comment action of auto mouse click by MurGee.com. To create a auto typer script, launch auto mouse click and add a type comment action to the script. Assign a keyboard shortcut to start the script execution. Open the application on which you want the script to do automatic text typing and press the keyboard shortcut to start script execution. The text typing speed can be controlled from the action itself. The type comment action allows you to configure the time delay between each character of the text sentence. To further control the text typing speed, you can configure the time delay between keystroke down and keystroke up from settings of the software. When you want really fast text typing to be done for long sentence, you can enable the option to simulate Ctrl+V to paste the text instead of typing the text sentence on a character-by-character basis. You can optionally press Enter key after each text sentence. The auto typer script can be controlled with repeat count of the script and also from the repeat count of the type comment action. This video demonstration of auto typer script uses a single type comment action, however you can add more actions to the script depending on the purpose of your script execution. With configurable speed of text typing, your auto typer script can be a really handy and quick way to automate text typing.